What other skills are you proud of?
I do porns. No, I'm playing. Just a little gag. We get a blooper, right? Hi everybody, I'm Karim, aka the Poetic Chef. I'm a celebrity chef, traveling chef. Been doing this a long time. I got inspired by this girl. I can't remember her name. When I was a freshman in high school, she said poet chef. You're a poet and a chef. And when I got home, I thought about it, and in the next year I had to create an email. And I put Poetic Chef, and it just, sounded smoother. And I just ran with it. So people started calling me Poetic Chef my sophomore year in 10th grade. I come from a Caribbean background, and I grew up watching, getting inspiration from them. So my goal was to take whatever they did in the kitchen and take it to another level. I was self-taught. A lot of ideas I get through, listening to music. I'm a big fan of music, so I'll just listen to music, zone out, and create dishes.
And why?
Barack Obama. The fact that I didn't get to cook for him while he was in the White House, but I still have the opportunity to cook for him because he's still living, and he's still my president. So I need that. I want that opportunity. I'll make it happen before the year's out. Well, I go to Trinidad a lot. I have a home down there. I go there like 3 or 5 times a year, and any dish that's popular down there, I'll definitely incorporate the spices. The vegetables and everything. I'll try to get the seasoning shipped up here. I'll go down there and pluck some things myself, and I definitely incorporate anything Trinidad in my food. I almost got a restaurant in 2016. I got robbed in Paris. That's a whole other story. That would have been the first time I would have owned a restaurant. But I think next year I'll be ready to open that chapter. Right now I'm just cruising the waters and just traveling. And to stay passionate, always put in 100%. No matter what, because you never know who's eating your food, who's going to say, I want to invest in that. So just stay committed and don't take everyone's advice, because everybody always got advice, but it's empty. So if someone doesn't have good advice followed by a solution, don't take it. Me and other people who look up to me, and all that keeps me grounded. I'm not better than no one. Hi, my name is Karim, aka the Poetic Chef, and I am 88 approved.
I've been in this game for years. It made me an animal. Been in this game for